went to SEMrush, we sorted by top 10 pieces whenever we looked at our domain under organic research. So very easy. Just put in your domain in organic research, click this nice little drop down. It'll show you how you can sort. And we're going to look for what's in the top 10 because I want to get these to the top 3. These are my low hanging fruit. And it's always so much higher ROI to start with a client site and look here. Okay, so I have a piece that is pretty close to what a client would be searching for. That's your other question. How relevant is this keyword to what a client would actually want? So you want it to be relevant always. If not, don't even bother with it, right? Like Flipboard advertising. I don't really care that we're ranking for that. That's a bonus ranking. I'm probably not even going to get this to the top 3 because that's not a specific search that a client would have. However, this one is, because does Shopify have a blog option? If somebody is searching that in Google, then they're likely wanting to blog with Shopify. And that is exactly what we offer in Content at Scale. We have a direct integration to Shopify, and we are an AI blog writer. So couldn't be more targeted. So you really want to make sure that that is potentially bringing in a client. Okay, so we solved that. Yes, it is.